Today we're going to take our 1,000 horsepower Chariot down the track.
That's the get as you get, boy. 990, 103, 109, 110, and then right back down. Yep.
About 929 at 150 mile an hour in the near lane.
Check the alternator. It had, you know, close to 14 volts, but I haven't let off for quite a while. Why is that? It was getting too close to the center line, so I backed out of it. After it calmed down, I got back in it. So I have no idea. It was pathetic.
Yeah, it was well on its way to an 8.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yep. They saw you wiggling around a little bit, but
yeah. Everything felt good other than it was going over too far. I didn't want to push it.
Alright, that's true. Sounds like you laid down a little bit on that. Not a lot, really.
Okay, alternator looks okay. We should probably back that off a tad. Yep. Does this have a G meter? The GoPro does. But it's going to be interesting to watch that because when those turbos are kicked in, this little dog hunts.
Really smooth and then it takes off. Coming up on top end, 915 at 158 mile an hour in the little green Nova.
thought you were taking a picture. Alright, so let's look at the data.
Yeah, let's look at the data.
Look at the data. You tell me what to do.
Oh,
I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, well, we gotta bring it up first.
At 146 mile an hour. It's quicker every pass. We're going to see an each second pass out here before the day is over.
Well, at least it didn't fall off.
Yeah.
So you were in it the whole time?
Yeah. I could tell it wasn't the engine.
It takes forever to get on the two-step.
Yeah, there's something.
I mean, it's close.
It hiked the front end up a little bit, but not much.
Yeah, it's still small.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go to like, well, we're just gonna have to go up more in RPM. When it laid over, I thought, oh crap, it lost voltage, but it didn't, you know, the engine felt perfectly fine.
Oh, we just gotta get this tighter.
Yep.
I tightened it. We got an extra one.
And the other part of it's on the track.
Yeah, he went down and grabbed it, so I'll grab it next time we're up there.
Why do you want to check that back tire, Tyler? It's probably up 40 pounds then. Coming up on top end, lifted a couple times, it goes 875 at 158 mile an hour.
875. It spun, but it was thrusting forward, so I didn't let off in first. But when it started going goofy in third gear, that's you'll have to see how much time. The launch was like way more.
Yeah.
So it probably made a bunch of boost.
I sat there and waited. 132 in the eighth. That little dog's hunt.
Would it go in the eighth?
It's still a pig.
568. Okay, but it's. I mean, once we get that where it's supposed to be.
Right. Because before it would 130 on the back tires.
Right. And it spun bad.
I was on the shift light, but I didn't want to pull it until it felt like it grabbed, it thrusted forward, and that's when I went for second.
Yep.
No, okay. Hey!
Hi, crowd.
Overall, we had a successful day at Beaver Springs today. The quickest pass that the car made was a 862 at 161. One of my dad's goals for the day was to go 160 in the quarter and also to get a 8-second time slip. Overall, the car did very well. We only ran a maximum of 23 pounds of boost. And we basically played around with the launch until we got something that we felt was respectable. All the down track stuff, though, we kept exactly the same. And, I mean, it got a little sketchy on a few of the passes. We had to play around with the 4-link a little bit. Dad changed the preload, and we put the weight bar back into it just to try and keep it going straight. We probably need to rescale the car, figure that all out. But overall, it was a very good day. We didn't get close to running our 1,000 horsepower that we made on the dyno. I'd say we're probably 10 psi off of that 1,000 horsepower. So my guess that would be around 300 horsepower. So I think a very real number for the all-out potential of this car is probably a 7-second pass. So that would be an amazing accomplishment, especially for what we have in this car. But if you want to see that, you're going to have to stay tuned for future episodes. So make sure you like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.